Hello and welcome to Narellan Auto Parts Plus. Today I've got a 2013 Nissan Navara D40 series ST. It's a 2.5 Yd25 turbo diesel, rear wheel drive, automatic. As you would have seen, a bit of damage in the front there. This side's not too bad. Tailgate's, no doubt got some marks on it. Been a work it, a couple of tiny marks there. And the rear bar's got a couple of dings down there. Got a tow bar. And I think we've got a right rear door also. Let's pop the bonnet for you and we'll start her up. I think it's 142,000 kilometres. There it is. Bit bumped around. I'll get a compliance plate for you. 413 VSK build. We're going to start it up. Looks like the left mudguard survived. Right. Alright. And away we go. 142,685 kilometres. Purring away there nicely. Airbags have gone off here. We've got a left hand seat and rear seats there. Alpine stereo. Not much to see there, but the motor's running. Alright, there it is. Alright, shut that down. Okay, so it's here for dismantling, so if you need any Navara parts or any other parts for that matter, give the Parts Plus guys a call on 02 4646 1733 and they'll help you out. Alright, put this to bed. Thanks for watching and bye for now.